Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the vehicle icons in Google Maps. This is a fun feature that lets you customize your navigations by replacing the standard blue arrow with different car icons. Let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone and then search for a location you want to go, just like you normally would when planning a trip. Once you have chosen your destination, tap on Direction button and then select Start to begin navigation. Now, here's the fun part. When you are in navigation mode, look at the blue arrow or blue circle that represent your position on the map. If you tap on that arrow or circle, a small menu will pop up showing you different vehicle icons that you can choose from. Depending on your app version and region, you will usually see a red sedan, a green pickup truck, and sometimes a yellow SUV or other fun options. Simply tap on the vehicle icon that you like. Then you can select the color you want to use. Then tap Done. Instantly, your blue arrow will change into the vehicle you selected. From now on, as you drive, you will see that little car or truck moving along the road instead of the plain arrow. It's a small detail, but it makes navigation feel a bit more personalized and even a little entertaining. And that's it. You know now how to change your vehicle icon in Google Maps. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.